Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Blink with Sush. Let's start today's makeup tutorial. I'm starting my makeup with my eye makeup, and first I'm grooming my eyebrows with the help of Benefit Cosmetic Goof Proof Eyebrow Filler, filling in all the gaps and brushing it upward and giving it a definite shape. Cleaning my eyelids with the help of Maybelline Concealer so that it becomes my base for my eye makeup, and I'm blending it with a beauty blender. Today I'll be creating this pink color cut crease eyeshadow look with the help of Huda Beauty Nude Eyeshadow Palette. First I'm applying the pink color Love Bite from the palette, and I'm going to cut crease with the help of Ivory from Kryolan. Now again taking the Huda Beauty another rose eyeshadow palette, and I'm dabbing it the pink color Doll Face. The shade name is Doll Face, and I'm dabbing it onto my lids. First I will be dabbing the eyeshadow, and after that I will be diffusing the edges till I'm satisfied with the intensity that I want. Now taking a black eyeshadow, I just created that wing, and then now I'm taking a black gel liner and completing the wing. After the second wing that I have drawn, I'm going to pull that wing down towards and join it to my outer eye area, and I'm going to fill in that gap with the help of gel eyeliner. Now taking a black eyeshadow, I'm going to just diffuse the edges and way of blending it. It also gives the intensity of blackness, and I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner to give it a finishing. Moving towards preparing my skin for the base makeup, I'm using the face serum from L'Oreal and Hydrogel moisturizer from Neutrogena to keep my face hydrating till the end. And I'm going to apply lip balm from Myglan so that my lips stay hydrated. I'm going to use a primer from Myglan which has a pink tinge, and it's amazing, very soft on my skin. I'm going to color correct my dark circle and pigmentation with the help of Peach Corrector from Kryolan. I'm going to first apply the corrector and blend it with my finger itself. And I will be setting it with a little loose powder so that it does not move when I apply the foundation. Today I'll be using foundation from Wet n Wild, and I'll be blending it with the blending brush. Now don't get scared with the eye makeup and the eyeliner. It's looking weird now, but at the end of the makeup it will look beautiful. I'm serious. Now applying the cream contour from Kryolan, again I'm just going to contour my face and give it a dimension, trying to cut all the extra parts away and give it a proper shape. First I'm going to just apply and blend it again with the blending brush. Now I'm going to highlight my face with the help of Wet n Wild concealer itself, where I want to highlight the hyperlink surface area of my face and blending it with the beauty blender. Now guys, as I always say, don't get scared of the highlighter or the foundation so much. Just apply the right amount, and at the end of the makeup it is going to look amazing. So don't get scared to apply foundation and concealer. Don't think that you're layering up. Just be perfect while you blend. Now I'm taking loose powder. This is a translucent loose powder from Myglan. I'm just setting the area where I'm going to crease. I'm not going to bake the whole of my face today. Now whenever you have a big day and you want to go step out for a wedding during day or night, please make sure you bake and you put on the powder very well to set your foundation. After that I'm contouring my face again with the powder contour, and it is really important to do so if you have a wedding or if you're going to a wedding. Now I'm going to highlight my face. Highlighting is again one of the most important part. It is amazing to highlight your face and give that shiny look. Don't forget to set up your base makeup with the NYX. Okay, I'm telling NYX Makeup Fixer. I'm applying a white kajal in my waterline and again a black eyeshadow on my lower lash line, giving it a shape, blending it. Now I'm again applying the pink eyeshadow and again blending it. Now with the help of Q-tip, I'm just going to blend the edges of my wing, which was looking dangerous for a moment. So yes, it's going to change the whole look of my eyeshadow and my eyeliner when I blend it. You can keep the eyeliner minimum than this, but I wanted to make it a little bold, so I did the bat wing eyeliner. I'm completing it with the Colossal mascara and the eyelashes of PAC. Again, I'm doing the shimmer eyeshadow on the top of my pink eyeshadow and giving it a shimmery look. Today I'll be wearing LA Girl's nude lipstick. I wanted to give a nude lipstick look to this eye makeup. And again, I'm applying the Huda Beauty lipstick and a transparent lip gloss. So this is the final look, guys. Do let me know, how do you like it? This makeup you can carry even during evenings with the help of your lipstick change in the shade. You can make it little peaches, little pink, but during daytime it's perfect. You can also minimize the eyeliner wing. This was my style. I wanted to try a little different, so I did a bat wing eyeliner. Do let me know, how did you like the bat wing liner type in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and do share this to your friends and your loved ones, and to share this one for your upcoming brides if they like the idea. I love you guys so much for giving your valuable time. Thank you so much. I'll be right back again with a brand new video. Till then, see ya.